Here I have HUAWEI NOVA 10, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes and select slow-mo here. So now I'm gonna record toilet paper spin, but in slow-mo, so let's get it. Okay, we have it. I hope it went well. So let's check it out. Whoa! Can you see this? How extremely cool this toilet paper spins. I just can't believe my eyes. It's just like in my favorite action Hollywood movies. Wow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.